myself, wandering all alone. Kinda hard for me to say I can't stand out on my own.
I can't save myself.